Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can upload any project to the GitHub repository. So here you can see I have a project over here, a folder over here, you can see PHP project. So I want to upload this project to the GitHub repository. So how can I do it? So first of all, what we need to do is that we need to log into our GitHub. So let me just search over here github.com and I'm going to sign in here with my GitHub account. I'll give my password here. Then after that, I'm going to click in sign in. And there you can see it took us to the GitHub dashboard. So here, once you log in, you will see this option, new option here. You can see just click here, new button. And you need to give it a name. Let's say here, my test project. You can name it anything. And there you can see the name is available. After that, we need to go down, make it public and add a readme file. Then here you will see a button called create repository. So you need to click here and a repository will be created. So there you can see. So we want to upload our project over here to this my test project. So before we upload our project to the GitHub repository, we need to download Git. So here in the browser, just search for Git and here you can see gitscm.com. So once you come to this website, you will see this option download for Windows. So if you just click here and if you just install Git, it means you are ready to upload your project to the GitHub. So I hope that you have Git installed, and once you have Git installed, then you need to go to the certain project that you want to upload. For my case, it is this one. And right now, if I now just right click here, then click on show more option, it will show us a option like this if you have Git installed. So here you can see open Git bash here. Just click on it and you will see a interface like this. So let me just zoom in here. So here you can see currently we are in the project directory. Here you can see PHP project, which is this one. So first of all, we need to mention the initialization of Git for this project. So for it, we need to say here Git init. Then press enter. And there you can see initializing Git repository. So let me just make it a little bit bigger. So after this, we need to say here git add, then a space, then a dot, then press enter. So you need to write this, then you need to make a comment or leave a comment before you upload this project to the GitHub. So here we need to say git commit -m, it means message. Then you need to leave a message. Let's say here my first upload. You can write the message anything you want. For now, let's just go with this. And you must leave a message. Then just press enter. And there you go. So right now we need to say here git remote add origin. Let me just make it bigger like this. Git remote add origin. Then you need to give a space. So here you need to tell in the GitHub where you want to upload this project. So for it, you need to go to the browser and you need to go to the specific GitHub repository. For my case, it is this one, my test project. So after coming here, you need to click on code. Then here you will see a link. Once you click on HTTPS. So you just need to copy this. If you just click here, it will be get copied, or you can copy it like this as well. After copying this, go back to your command prompt, git command prompt, and paste it here. There you go. After pasting it here, you just need to press enter. Then you need to say that you want to upload your project to this repository. And here you can see by default, it will choose master branch. So here we're going to say git push -u origin master. So what we are saying is that we are pushing this project to the master branch in our Git repository. So if for your case, if it says main, then you just need to say over here main. So since it says master, so we need to say over here master git push -u what is in master. And right now, if we press enter, it will start uploading our project to that certain Git repository. There you can see it is uploading and the upload is complete. So right now, if I just go to my browser, here you can see an update here. Master had recent pushes 2 seconds ago. So right now, if I now refresh, there you can see there is nothing in the main branch. But if I now click here, you will see one more branch called master, and if I now click on it, and there you go, our project is successfully uploaded. So this is how you can upload your project to the GitHub repository. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.